Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So here's another installment of the Practical Prepper series that we've been doing. The kids and we're going to be working on a couple things. The first thing in this video at least is going to be making some space for all of the new items that we are prepping. This is where I keep all of my spices and different things like that. And we actually have two shelves that are not being utilized, right? And so I have a lot of extra things, a lot of multiple things. And so what I'm going to do is try to go in and put like items together with like items, and then definitely make sure that I can utilize this space up here. We don't need a whole shelf, just a whole paper towel. I mean napkins. We can totally repurpose that space because we are bringing in more things into the house. And then over here in this cabinet, we have up here at the very top, we've got some items that we never even use. So we're just going to get rid of those. We're going to probably, readjust some of the things in here so that we can have space for all of the things that we need to come in here in case we need more space. And then the last area that we're going to work on is above the microwave. So above the microwave, we have cookbooks, and we don't need cookbooks above the microwave because it's temperature controlled in the house. So I can take those cookbooks and put them all out in the garage and then put food items in here so that we are keeping things temperature controlled. I think for today, I'm just going to be tackling this cabinet and this cabinet because we actually have to be out of here in an hour. Jackson has a function he has to go to, and Alana and I are having a mom and girl day. Hey girl, hey. She looking at me like, what's wrong with your internet niece? Come get her. She got her hair done. So she over there trying to think she cute, like she ain't finna sweat her perm out. But listen, ma'am, she don't have a perm. She just got a press. So, but we got work to do in Jesus' name. I do not have time for you to be cute, not to die. Alana, slay girl, give me a hair flip real quick. Just do it for the vine. Do it for the vine, girl. Just flip it one time. Just flip it one time. Flip it. Help you. He ain't got no hair. He look like mama. Come on, help him. Flip it, girl. Flip it one. Ooh, girl, you better do that's a ma'am look. Woo, yes. Got that hair fried, dyed, and laid to the side yesterday. Yes, girl. Fear no evil. Go ahead. Tell the people. Yea, though you walk through the valley of the shadow. Go ahead and give it to the people. Right now, what you're going to walk through is the shadow of this cabinet that need to be gone through.
Or I could walk.
You could walk the dog. Have you walked the dog? You can walk the dog. Don't walk too slow.
Okay.
She does need a nice, good stretch, but don't be overly slow.
Mom, never overly slow.
Yeah, but you trying to get out of this work.
Thank you. Don't take you. Well, it's more of I'm trying to get better exercise than putting up whatever we're doing.
Boy, bye. Get on. Oh. Come on, sister. We got to work.
Yeah, it was a lot.
Alrighty, you guys, so what we did in this cabinet was we condensed a lot of the spices on one shelf, right? The majority of these things we use all the time. There are some spices that we don't use, though, or some extras. Extras are up here. Then we put some of the lighter items. Your onion soup mix, we brought that out of the garage. The Parmesan cheese, we brought that in the house. The noodles, we wanted to make sure that they were inside. And then we took the red bin down and we just using this Dollar Tree bin. That way we can see the different seasonings that we have, and also this clear bin as well. We still have room to grow if we need to put anything here. We can also put stuff up here. And then we also have this much room up here and we can stack. We did put the coffee creamers up there as well. So that kind of cleaned out that shelf a little bit more. It does let us see what we have, and we still, like I said, have room to grow there. And it cleared up some space in the main pantry, so I'll show you that. Okay, so we still have room to grow here. We've got room up here now. And we're gonna see what other items we can just start moving around. We don't wanna put heavy items in that cabinet, because these are the wire metal shelves, so they're able to sustain a lot of weight, but we don't want to start weighing stuff down. So we're gonna just keep prepping as we are able, and yeah, that's how we're gonna leave it for right now. So we're gonna just do this cabinet today, just this one. I may tackle this one to see. There's a few little things in here that we can get rid of just to make some more space in that one. All right, you guys, so we finished up in this cabinet right here. What we did was we shifted some things. So we use paper plates quite a lot. So we moved those down and we moved the regular plates up. I'm the only one that really uses regular plates. The kids just prefer paper, and that's fine with me. We did declutter some of these things here, and we only kept the cups that we use, and then we got rid of we didn't get rid of them. We actually just put them in the storage room. Some of the storage containers that we haven't been using lately, we do use all the square ones. So we do have a little room in there to grow. Just decluttered a few things. Again, we're just, you know, making preparation for the things that need to come in and the things that need to go out of the house as we move forward into this, you know, whatever is coming. This, I wish I could... This was a special at Aldi once upon a time. And I think we've successfully broken all the bowls except this last one. Probably should take that out and get rid of that. But, you know, sentimentalness, I guess. Some of those dishes are chipped, but I'm not going out and buying new dishes. I'm the only one that uses them. So, and then the ones up here I use when my friend comes over for dinner. Although she prefers paper with the, you know, all the stuff that's going on. But anyway, that's about it for that.